My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the site News-ramafi.cc. News-ramafi.cc is a junk website that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly as a part of some browser checkup. Some versions of these pop-ups also tell that people need to click on allow to verify their age or to prove that they're humans and not robots. The reality is that to click on allow is dangerous, and this would hijack your browser with multiple ads that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. If you have clicked on allow, go to the menu of your browser, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings, go to permissions and notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. So when you find this malicious site, make sure you remove it from the list. And don't hesitate to delete other junk sites from the list. In order to make sure that your system is free of other threats that could be possibly hidden, I do recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete such other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.